So here is another question on solving linear equations in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So it is given solve for x and y using substitution method. The equations are, first we'll write them, 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, the first equation, and x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is the second equation. So here we'll pick one of the equations and we'll express one variable in terms of the other. Here it is very simple, x plus 2y is equal to 3. So we can write x is equal to 3 minus 2y. This is, let's say, equation number 3. X is equal to 3 minus 2y. Now we will put equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, here it is, we have got from equation 2. So we'll put that in the other equation, that is equation 1. So we get 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. That implies 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. That implies 21 minus 29y is equal to 2. Now we'll take minus 29y to the other side, RHS will become plus, and 2 to the LHS will become minus. So 21 minus 2 is equal to 29y. That implies 29y is equal to 19. That implies y is equal to 19 by 29. This is 4. So y is equal to 19 by 29. Now we will put this in equation 3 to get the value of x, that is x is equal to 3 minus 2 into 19 by 29, which is equal to 3 minus 38 by 29, which is equal to, so this is 29, 58, so it is 87, 20 into 3, 60, that's 27, okay, 87 minus 38, so it is 49 by 29. So x is equal to 49 by 29. So we'll keep it in fractional form, we will not convert it into decimal. So x is equal to 49 by 29 and y is equal to 19 by 29. So the solution of the pair of linear equations in two variables are x is equal to 49 by 29, y is equal to 19 by 29. Okay, these two are the solutions. So here is another question on solving pair of linear equations in two variables using substitution method. So here is another question on linear equations in two variables, solving them using substitution method. So we have two equations, s minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. We have to solve them using substitution method. So first we'll write the equations. S minus T is equal to 3. Very simple. It is expressed. Then we have S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. Now this equation number 2, it is in fractional form. Now I'm not saying that you cannot handle it, but it will be easier if we convert it, if we remove this fractional thing without changing the equation, changing the the whole equation, keeping it intact. We have to remove the fractional part. So how we can do it? So we'll take equation number 2, that is S by 3 plus T by 2 is equal to 6. Now here in the denominator we have 3, we have 2. So we'll multiply the LCM of 2 and 3 on both sides. That is multiplying 6 on both sides. So 6 and here also 6. Because we have to multiply 6 on both sides, then only it will neutralize each other. So here we have, that implies 2s, okay, 6 into s by 3, that is 2s, plus 6t by 2, that is 3t, is equal to 36. So we have rewritten equation 2 in a modified form as this. It is the same as s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. It is the same. So now it is a bit easy to handle it. So we have now s minus t is equal to 3, equation 1, and 2s plus 3t is equal to 36, equation 2. Now from equation 1 we have s is equal to 3 plus t. Now we are going with the usual procedure. We are expressing one variable in terms of the other by picking one of the linear equations. We have picked equation 1, s is equal to 3 plus t. This is equation number 3, okay, not 2, it is equation 3. So this is equation 4, okay, s is equal to 3 plus t. Now we will put equation 4 in equation 3, substitute it. So we have two into 3 plus t plus 3t is equal to 36. That implies 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. That implies 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, which is equal to 30. That implies t is equal to 30 by 5, that is equal to 6. So we have got t is equal to 6. Now putting this in equation 1, putting equation 5, the value we have got t is equal to 6 in equation 1, we get s minus 6 is equal to 3. That implies s is equal to 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. That implies we have got s is equal to 9. Yes. So the solution of the pair of linear equations in two variables which we have got here is S is equal to 9, T is equal to 6. Okay, here solution is S is equal to 9, T is equal to 6. The solution. Okay, again here we had a fractional kind of an equation with this kind of thing, so we converted it into simple format. Then it was easy to handle the two equations. Okay, so this is it.